Hi, my name is Nadia, and I'm here to invite all our first-year students to take part in the First Year Maths Challenge. This is a maths competition which will run after the exams over 3 weeks, and the winners will be announced just before the end of term. The format of the competition will be 3 online quizzes, 2 preliminary rounds, and the final round. The quizzes will be based on the material you have learned in Year 1. Some questions will be quite easy, but some will be more challenging, as the name of the competition suggests. After each quiz, there will be a Zoom session where we will reveal the solutions and the intermediate results. Now, the main idea of this competition is really just to think about some interesting math problems in a relaxed way, unmarred by deadlines, exams, and the likes. Some questions might surprise you, some you might find beautiful, but the main word which I would like to use to describe the First Year Maths Challenge is fun. To give you some vague idea of what I mean by that, I'm going to show you a puzzle. I know you are all very busy revising for the exams, so I'll keep it very simple. I won't touch any of the first year stuff just yet. I won't even race to the A levels. I suggest we stay comfortably in the GCSEs world. What I'm going to do, I'm going to prove that the right angle equals 80 degrees. Now, I know this might shake the very foundation of your maths knowledge just before the exams, but I can't resist the temptation, I'm afraid. So here we go. We start by drawing a green horizontal segment. Then we put 2 equal segments perpendicular to the green one. Now we turn one of them slightly to reduce the angle to 80 degrees. Here are my 2 angles, 90 degrees and 80 degrees, and I will show that those are equal. What I will do, I will first connect the top ends of the red segments. Next, I'll split the green segment into 2 equal parts and draw a perpendicular line in the middle. Then I'll do the same to the purple segment. I'll also split it into 2 halves and draw a perpendicular through that point. Now, the 2 perpendiculars will intersect somewhere. Let me mark the intersection point by a red dot. Then I will connect the red dot with the 2 corners. You see, I'm drawing both segments in the same color, brown, because they are equal. Why are they equal? We can see that by looking at these 2 triangles. These triangles are equal because they have one right angle, the common vertical side, and equal horizontal sides. This implies that their remaining brown sides are equal too. And by the way, these angles are equal as well. Now I will connect the red dot with the top end of the red segments. The blue lines are equal because these triangles are equal. The reason is the same: the right angle, a common side, and a pair of equal sides. Finally, let me look at these triangles here. I claim that they are equal too. Now, the picture might look a bit suspicious, but we are mathematicians and we know that the rigor of the proof should prevail over possible inaccuracies of the picture. And my rigorous proof is the blue sides are equal, the brown sides are equal, and the red sides are equal. So the triangles must be equal. But this, of course, implies that these angles are equal, and we are done. You see, both the 90 degrees angle and the 80 degrees angle are equal to the sum of the brown and the red angle. Okay, I'll leave you with that and stop wasting your precious revision time now. Hope you will be able to somehow come to terms with this new mathematical fact. And meanwhile, I wish you all the best for the exams and hope to see many of you join the First Year Maths Challenge.